Okay, so in the diagram below it says ABCD is a rectangle. So let's just follow the order of those letters. A, B, C, D. So they're talking about the large shape here. And then they tell us about this line here. PQ, it says, is parallel to AD. Now because we know AD there, the bottom of AD, that angle there, A, is a right angle because it's a rectangle. This also is going to have to be a right angle as well, okay, because it's parallel to that line there. Okay, so in effect, we've got one large rectangle, but we can think of it as two small rectangles as well. Now they tell us, don't they, the area of ABCD is 52, but then it says the area of APQD is 20. Now what is APQD? Let's have a look. APQD, so this will be the smaller rectangle here, yeah? APQD. But what's good is, if I know the area of this smaller rectangle, APQD, I can work out the area of that larger rectangle, can't I? Because remember, the whole rectangle here adds up to 52. So I can say, look, area of, well, let's put letters to it, BPCDQ, yeah, that's that rectangle, PBCQ, will equal to the overall thing, which is 52, take away the rectangle here, so we end up with 32 centimeters squared. So you can see then they both add up to 52. So then it says calculate F and G, yeah? Now, the fact I worked that out is really going to help me to get F and G. So if I focus on this one to start with, because I think this one is the best place to start. Obviously F comes before G as well in the alphabet. But notice here, with the rectangle I've got here, okay, of course the area is 32, isn't it? But remember, with a rectangle, it's just length times width, isn't it? That's the area formula, okay? And we're told in this case here is 32. Well, I know the length is 8. I just don't know the width. It's going to be called F. So with my formula here, I've got length times width is 32. So 8 is the length, F is the width, and the answer is 32. So we just got to think, what am I times my 8 to get 32? Well, the other approach is take the 8 over to the side, because we times in there, and divide. And of course we know then F has got to be 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so we've got F. But then what's good, to help us with G, we know this has got to be 4 as well, yeah? So F is 4. That side's got to be 4 as well. So we can do the same situation now with this one. Okay, so within the rectangle APQD, the area is equal to 20. So again, length times width, yeah? Now the length here is G. The width is 4. That will equal to 20. So we just got to think, what am I times by 4 to get 20? Well, take it over to the side, divide, and you get it out to be 5. So G is 5 centimeters. And there we are. We've got F and G.